The best kitchen plans start with accurate measurements. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to measure for your kitchen cabinets. Let's start with the materials you'll need. Gather a ruler, steel measuring tape, painter's tape, a pen or a pencil and grid paper. The first step is to draw your floor plan. Take your grid, paper, and pen to mark windows, obstructions, water lines, gas lines and outlets. Make sure to number each wall to stay organized. Next comes the measuring. Start by measuring the full lengths of all kitchen walls in centimeters. Take your steel measuring tape and begin from an adjoining corner, working clockwise. Record the length on your floor plan, rounding down to the nearest millimeter. Use the painter's tape to label each wall according to your floor plan. Moving on to the small sections. Start at the first wall you measured. Go back and measure the smaller segments within each wall. Remember to measure any trim or molding as well. After writing down the measurements of the small sections, measure and record the full width of each wall. It's important to measure the ceiling height at 2 to 4 different corners of your kitchen, since ceiling height can vary, especially in older homes. Also record the height of cabinets, windows, and soffits in your floor plan. Go back and check for any additional obstructions like vents, radiators, pipes, and floor registers. Make sure to note them in your floor plan. We're almost done. On a separate piece of paper, make a list of all appliances and record their width, height, and depth. Don't forget to note these on your floor plan as well. If your kitchen has an island or bar, measure the length, width, and height. Include the measurements from countertop to countertop. It's important to double-check your list and floor plan. You can add up the measurements of the small sections and compare them with the full measurement of the corresponding wall to make sure you've measured everything correctly. Now that you've gathered all of your measurements, you can submit them for a free 3D kitchen design. Send us a message or email, or you can visit our website at kitchendesignstudio.co.za. Our NKBA certified design team will be in touch with your 3D kitchen layout. And remember, if you have any questions, we are here to help. You can reach us at 084 791 0085. Kitchen Design Studio, where function meets elegance.